the process of entering a temple, let's say you were lucky enough to get to some temple and you were secondly in some mountain, could be Machu Picchu, and you were secondly lucky enough, and it's unlikely that there were nobody else there.
Right, yes.
Would you just walk straight in? You know, there's something in our instinct. I mean, people do today. You know, you see the tourists just come straight through, of course. But if you knew that it was actually activated and there was something inside that temple, there was something special, just like the original temple of Solomon, you know, the Solomon's temple. I mean, the Jewish people still go to the remaining wall and feel that there's a residue still in the wall, because that wall captured the radiations of what anchored there at a certain time. And of course, people didn't just walk in anyway. There was a chain separating people out, so they could not go into the main, you know, area of the Holy of Holies. But around the world, same types of setups, somewhere sacred. There's something in us that knows we can't just go walking in. In fact, most places have a kind of procedure before you go in, some sort of cleansing procedure. And then there's a relevance about the gate itself or the doorway. You'll see some of the doorways are very, very special. And there's a reason there's an emphasis on the doorway. And then there's the process inside. So we're kind of using this live to talk about the article, but also to let people know that we want to offer a couple of workshops to go through these three processes of approaching a place, even if it was external or within oneself. Approaching somewhere that's got a high energy, the importance of the pause and the transition, which a gate or a doorway is. This is like cats stop at doorways. We have a cat drives me crazy, you know. Once you get out, you open the door, it stops. People think, why is it stopping? But the cats are very sensitive, you know, their whiskers are always they have lines of force coming out from the whiskers. They're detecting the new atmosphere on the other side of the doorway. And the process inside. So there's certain things that are important to do in each of these steps. And it applies just as much if you did happen to get to a temple somewhere in the Himalayas, or if you want to arrange your home and do a certain process with yourself to approach the more sacred areas of the human system. Here we're talking more. We'll probably talk a lot there too. We like to talk, but we're also going to be doing more practical work because it involves cleaning and clearing your own electromagnetic system. It involves understanding transitions into different levels of astral light, where you need to be in yourself, how to settle, how to find that quiet space, how to find that place that we long to be in, but we tend to go in and get flung out now and then, luckily, throughout life. But how to find that special place in yourself and stay there, to cultivate more time in your own inner temple.